Hi, I am Niro Morakhia, partner at Ruby Capital. Ruby Capital is a boutique advisory firm where we help clients for fundraising. We do various activities right from preparing them for fundraising, helping them raise funds, be it through debt or equity, and even helping them post-investment or post-fundraising activities like strategy, cost optimization, internal controls, and various virtual CFO services. We are kind of a one-stop shop solution for SME clients and startups because we handhold them right from the idea stage till the transaction closure stage. So we're a team of 12 to 15 people, a mix of chartered accountants and MBAs. All partners have worked with Morgan Stanley earlier. We all ventured into different verticals from there, and but we found that there was a gap in terms of giving quality advice to SME clients and startups. So we all teamed up with the idea of being a value-added advisor to various clients. So yeah, I bring more than a decade-long experience in the financial services industry. My larger part of my career being on the fund side, where I worked with a private equity fund, India Equity Partners, which is a growth-oriented India-focused fund, where we invested anywhere from $10 million to $30 million in a particular company. My role was there to identify investment opportunities, do research, due diligence, and invest in those companies, and post-investment portfolio monitoring. During my stint, I saw that there was a sort of a gap where in the SME space, where a lot of times there was no quality advice being given to these SME clients, and I think that's where I found that there's a good opportunity or a good space to be a value-added partners with these SME clients who needs a lot of handholding and who are looking to a one-stop shop solution kind of an approach to a boutique advisory firm. So we want to be the partner of choice for all our clients, and we want to be a one-stop shop solution where a client who comes to us for various sort of initiatives, be it fundraising, be it strategy, or be it various other virtual sort of CFO services. So we are a young and dynamic firm. I think all our team members have between from 0 to sort of up to 10 years of experience maximum. So we are a very young team, and someone who's willing to join Ruby will find a lot of dynamism. There will be a lot of exposure he'll get, and we've been sector agnostic so far. That's how we've sort of built the firm, and that's where our expertise lies in terms of researching a sector and learning it very fast. So someone who's willing to join Ruby will get this kind of exposures, but apart from that, I mean, we also intend to build expertise for each individual, and so he gets a flexibility of working on various types of work, but develop expertise within either a sector or a specific area, and that's how we've been, and I think that's how we intend to remain also going forward.